Kailan mabigay ang GSIS cash gift at pension increase? Good question. Sige po, may good answer tayo sa tanong na ito. Please watch the full video. Ito na po. Christmas cash gift. Sino po ang entitled nito? Sila po. Old Age and Disability Pensioners under Republic Act 8291, Republic Act 660, and PD 1146 who have been receiving regular monthly pension for at least 5 years are entitled to this benefit. Simply said, friends, yung naka 5 years na po na pensioner, less than 5 years, hindi po mag-qualify or hindi entitled sa Christmas cash gift. Very clear po ito, friends. Moving forward, how much yung Christmas cash gift na matatanggap? Ito po. Pensioners whose previous Christmas cash gift is above 10,000 are given an amount equivalent to 1 month pension, but not more than 12,600. Simply said, 12,600 po ang ma-receive ng pensioner, maximum amount po yan, or 1 month pension. Sa mga pensioners naman na naka-receive ng cash gift before na 10,000 and below, are given an amount equivalent to 1 month pension but not more than 10,000. Yan din sa kanila. 1 month pension at not more than 10,000. Yung mga nakatanggap before ng cash gift na 10,000. Alright? So, kung may tanong kayo friends, please write in our comment section below. Bigyan natin ng sagot yan and content sa next video po natin. Moving forward, pension increase. So according sa website ni GSIS, ang makareceive nito are the following. Old Age and Disability Pensioners under Republic Act 8291, Republic Act 660, and PD 1146 who have been receiving regular pension for 5 years or more are entitled to pension increase. Simply said friends, yung mga naka 5 years na sa monthly pension, sila yung entitled sa pension increase. 5 years or more. Ayan. So the amount of annual pension increase is based on the amount approved by the GSIS Board of Trustees. Yung amount po is depende yan sa approval ng GSIS Board of Trustees. But annual po yan or every year ang pension increase. Basta po 5 years na po tayo or more na pensioner. Good news po ito sa mga pensioners natin na GSIS pensioners. 2 thumbs up GSIS and more power to you. Alright? Keep watching my YouTube channel friends. Lahat ng mga good question about GSIS, pag-ibig, and employees concern, may good answer po tayo dyan. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.